Good morning. Today is December 13, Tuesday, and I was looking at this high of the morning for a possible short, but now I notice that this area is 76% on the large time frames, so I would expect some maybe 2.5 point retracement, 2 to 2.5 points, and also 4181 bands are quite separated, so might not be ready to continue up, such as 6K. It might go sideways. Beautiful foot forming bulge on 987, 610. A lot of pretty diversions. So let's see what's gonna happen. I think this was the second opportunity for the short because MACDs are on the rail down, and they just came closer to skid. Now we need to break this low here in order to continue lower, and I don't like how 144 is squeezing, but the other charts bands are open and coming from the side, so 987 is in my favor. We also came to an area where we're feeling a gap from yesterday's drop. So there is a resistance here. $41.81 needs to slow down. The lower band is still far apart from the upper one. It takes some time for the 4K to slow down. Still bear flag on 233 and 377 bands are still open. This looks like a skid lower. And 987 needs to grab the rail and continue. To plot a MACD on the rail, then it's gonna bring at least another one. This long pole needs a flag, and there was separation on it too, so it needs to make a flag. Even if it continues higher, it needs some slowdown. 4K did slow down, and now I was just measuring that from here to there. They did touch a small 50 from this pivot here. So still waiting to see that they break lower here. My boundary was touched for a tick, and I had about 4 ticks, I believe, and above this peak, the highest pullback. So I clicked twice, and instead of 2 I got 4 contracts. But I'm just seeing if it's going to continue smoothly down, because 987 looks, 610 looks very pretty, pulling down. But I can take 2 here. Let's see where this bar will go. gut feel by clicking market order, it plays that it's not as desirable. Still, 987 is pulling down, as well as 610. Even though waiting for the upper band to continue down, because right now it's flat and it doesn't give it enough power to the downside. Bands are still open, and I believe they will come, and we're gonna break this low and come to probably around 76. I noticed yesterday and today interesting volatility where the bar pops like for over a point. I had my boundary at one tick at the deep of the previous pivot, and now to pull back down, it's unusual behavior. Probably is due to expectation of a Fed news. The market is definitely jittery, and I decided that I'm done because I didn't take my profit. I was waiting for more down, and there's too much side. I was doing one contract here. It took me without a boundary, so I exited fast. And here I was waiting for this one to be fulfilled to the downside, but it's not wise to trade this, so I'm done for the day. Thank you, Divine.
Target filled.
Okay, my tools had wrong settings on the hotkeys, so the recording started when I wasn't expecting. So earlier when I saw some weakness in a lot of like a slight bar going down, I entered with one contract, and this weakness actually did push down. So from here to there was about almost 3 points drop, and it was a beautiful drop. Still, today is not a day that one should be trading. So again, thank you, Divine.